I never thought I could be so alone.
This can't be the last goodbye. I still love her.
January is a good time to die.
So hurt. So unbelievably angry.
But what she did...
But I will fight! Rocco! Even your meditations are insulting to Kung Fu!
Green.
Long ago, in 2030, a lover's quarrel would lead to an ultimate showdown of such passion, such a desire, and of course lust, that would lead to an ancient evil being unleashed in old Tokyo like no other. Jasmine was just a lonely girl, caught up in a whirlwind of time and circumstance that would bring her close to greatness.
I don't understand why you can't just do the dishes. Just once.
You don't understand me.
Let's see if you can handle the viper's poison.
No one can compete against my scorpion sting.
Rocco, you'll pay for what you did to me!
Rocco, a legendary martial arts expert, had been betrayed by the girl he loved, but he was not fully aware of how deep that betrayal would wound him in the end.
You must believe me. Listen to me, Green. Your sister betrayed us both. She killed Jade Panther, not me. I don't want to fight you.
Are you trying to tell me my sister lied to me? She would never do that! You irresponsible bastard!
Agreed. Jasmine's kickboxing blood-thirsty brother was always against any relationship Rocco had ever had. For his hate ran deep, but especially when he believed Jasmine had been hurt by Rocco. What neither of them know is that Pandora's box would soon be opened.
I will render you unconscious with my vengeance, Rocco Freeman! You bastard! You insect! Face the bear's paw style frenzy attack. I guess no one ever told you. I'm a level 6.
You both are fools! I've waited for years for my opportunity to destroy you. Of course I had to use your beloved sister, Green. Your precious Jasmine, Rocco.
When she found herself without you, Rocco, Jasmine came to my hidden lair in the mountains. I promised her powers, and I took her image so that I could come to this realm and finally destroy all the martial artists on Earth.
Say hello to death, boys.
Have you had about enough of this yet? I